see a skydiver bringing in Old Glory, your American flag. This is no ordinary skydiver. This is Sergeant First Class Retired Dana Bowman. He's who's astounded the nation and the world with his drive and determination to succeed. He's a Sergeant First Class of the United States Army, where he's a Special Forces soldier and a member of the United States Elite Parachute.
Accomplished gyroscopic maneuvers never duplicated around. With a strong background in competition aerobatics, David's Air Show, as he opens up with a Breitling around once, around twice, and then stops upside down. Ladies and gentlemen, David Martin in the Breitling opening maneuver gift. Upon purchasing an extra 300S, David has attended 7 World Aerobatic Championships, winning an individual gold medal and 4 team bronze medals. In 2001, David won the United States National Aerobatic Championship, crowned the best aerobatic pilot in America. 1917, Curtis Jenney. The Caulfield Museum in Wichita Falls, Texas, had purchased a beautifully restored Jenney to commemorate the fact that it was a World War I training field. Well, they needed a pilot to fly it for them. They offered David the chance. It was a challenge because you can't go to the local airport and get a Jenney checkout before your first flight. But David sorted it out just like he always does. It has become a lot of fun, and he has continued to fly that airplane year after year. And folks, not many pilots can say that they have flown everything from Jennys to jets. From the 1917 Jenney to the modern day, placing America at the World Championships, winning a silver medal. And then again in 2000, he was the U.S. national champion. In 2001, the men's a member of our United States Olympic aerobatic team. Breitling on the top wing, Breitling on the bottom wing, sliding and climbing, rudder dance, and then a flip for the Reno spectators. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the style of David Martin. One of the 6 hottest monoplanes in the world today. All right, David now, going to the vertical. Sky dancing out of his own smoke, twisting on the downline. Now it's made a most extraordinary process of assembling a Breitling watch. We'll watch David as he goes to the vertical. Watch this, around once. Keep her going, David, around twice. Keep her going, David. Now stop upside down. Bring in that Lycoming power. That is David Martin and the Breitling maneuver. Hoover, the Raptor, Hoover Pietsch. Precision rollout at my position without the use of this engine. But prior to that time, into the spin. A maneuver thought being loose as he continues to fly the wing. There may be times in the dive where you see the prop going around, but that's the wind force and not the engine. Just like a windmill on a farm or a ranch. You guys do a lot of things weird. Uh-oh, 6 is falling a little behind on the bottom there. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, that is our Patriot time. Wilbur Ryan brings the G's on the airplane. Leading the Patriots to the big, beautiful Barnstormer loop.
Good. I'm going to cut the snake in and Kathy, I want you to duck.
The winds have calmed down today, giving us a great opportunity to show this precision formation flying skills. As they approach the bottom, watch as our number 5 and 6 jet blew it out at the top of the formation. Go into the vertical rolls and partner with each other as Wilbur leads the rest of the diamond through a barrel roll.
Don't worry about me. You and I did everything.
4 upside down, 2 in the vertical, roll it out. Tip separation as they go by. Straight and level all the way across the stick comes in. You haven't had too many margaritas. That is the Calypso Pass. 1 right side up, 1 outside as we have 1 and 4 on the double closing in, 5 and 6 in close, waving all the band. As they cross the spot, about 5 feet of vertical separation and nose-tail overlap looks like. You know you're to get this airplane up to its maximum of 8 Gs. But at about 5.5, 6 today, he's going to turn a tight circle through the middle of the race course. He's about as low as the racers. He's just going the wrong offset, minimally laterally. Hold the nose up, roll it, snap it inverted, push it, keep the flat as low. I might only need to get, There is no doubt that he is faster. He's probably pushing 600 kilometers an hour. He lights the sun blinking off these airplanes. This is a sight you'll only see at Reno. Maintain those airplanes. And look at the lights provided by Wheeler. This is from Byron, California, your 2012 Patriot Jet. Patriot Jet. My name is John Chuckhead Council. your present